Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through step by step on how to connect your wallet or Telegram wallet on your Hamster, which I'll be showing to you in the video. If you are the type that has been looking for a way on how to connect your wallet on YouTube or searching online on how to connect your wallet, this is the right video for you. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. What we're gonna be clicking on today is the airdrop right here. You see the airdrop, then you click on connect wallet. My purpose of the of creating this another video on how to connect wallet is because on my previous video I wanted to show you guys on how to connect your wallet to your Telegram wallet, but the server was down on Telegram wallet. So today the server is back, so I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to connect your wallet, your Hamster, your wallet, your Telegram wallet on your Hamster today. Just click on to connect your wallet, the Tone wallet. Then you click on to here. I was clicking onto here on that day, but it was not going through. So if you are if you are the type that has already watched the previous video, you can see that I clicked onto this, but it was not opening. So let's click on the open wallet in Telegram and let's see how it goes. You can see it's about to connect. Meanwhile, I've already created a wallet on Telegram, so that's the reason why it is not asking me to create a new wallet on Telegram. So what you're gonna need to do is you just need to click on to connect wallet. After clicking on connect wallet, boom, you can see it's connected already. Back to Tone Space, you can see right here we are good to go. As soon as possible, as said by on the official page, that the airdrop will be done through this profit per hour balance. The airdrop will be based on this. It was announced on the official group that the airdrop will be based on the earnings per hour you have as currently as when the airdrop is going. So do well to burn down your balance by purchasing cards to get more earnings per hour. You can see this is the amount which you will spend. This is the amount of earnings per hour that will be added to your earnings per hour balance. So make sure you burn down your balance to ensure you are eligible for the airdrop. And guys, I received a news that I personally have multiple accounts on Hamster because I did not cash out anything on Coin. And I guys get multiple accounts on Hamster. I have something around. I have a lot. So I will advise you guys to stay safe and let's try to be on a VPN for it to keep our earnings balance safe. That's just it. I've shown you how to connect your wallet on Telegram on Hamster today. In my next video, I'm gonna be showing you how to disconnect and connect your wallet back. Like some people that has already connected to the Tonekeeper, maybe they decide to change the wallet in which they connected to. They decide to change to another wallet. I'll be showing in my next video on how to disconnect the wallet, create a new wallet on your own choice, the wallet you prefer to use. You create a wallet and you disconnect it from here, then you connect it to the wallet in which you prefer to use. So in my next video, I'm gonna make a video on that. There are more nice content coming behind. Stay safe out there and subscribe to the channel for more nice content. Turn on the notification bell icon. But thanks.